We decided to talk specifically about the mask function of Redraw so you can better understand how it works and the best way to use it so you can actually see it in action, because it's a very interesting function and many people end up not using it. In what context does it apply? It applies in situations where you want to either change something or you want Redraw to improve or do something specific only in a certain place. So basically, I'm going to upload an image here and I can already see the mask button down below. When I click on it, by default, the brush is already enabled here, so I can start selecting my area right away. There, I'm already selecting here, and on the side, I'm using the brush selection. I can increase the size of my brush here, or I can make it smaller. I can invert this mask here, I can clear the mask, I can erase here as if it were an eraser. Anyway, I can undo. And I also have the lasso option here where I can select the area I want. And with that, I can keep creating several lassos here for my scene so that I create layers down here and I can erase these layers. So in a very simple way, this is the mask function of the Redraw tool. And as I mentioned, you will use it in the enhance render function to improve. For example, let's say I want to enhance only my sofa here or my rug. I can select here, look, only these specific areas and make modifications only to them. Or I can come here to my generate ideas tool, try to generate a different idea for my rug, like a fluffy rug, something like that, right? Or I can come here, look, to my brush tool, which is basically the specific function of the mask, and use my rug as a reference here, right? A fluffy rug, for example, and place it in this spot. So you see that when you learn how to use this mask function, its uses are endless. And that's it, guys, a really quick lesson here about the mask function in Redraw. Make good use of this function because it's a very simple way for you to select only what you want to change and keep your project true to your vision, and also to prevent Redraw, the artificial intelligence, from giving you something you weren't expecting. So that's it, guys. Thank you.